So I have been so quiet on social media, and the real reason is I've been struggling. I've had major surgery, and it's been really hard. I'm now at 4 weeks, but basically what I've had done is it's called PAO surgery, periacetabular osteotomy. It's called, where they basically cut your pelvis, move it, and screw it back together. So it's very invasive. I've had my left one done many years ago, so I kind of knew what I was getting myself into. But I did have some complications this time. I lost a lot of blood. I lost about 33% of my blood, which obviously affected then my blood pressure, hemoglobin levels, all of that, which made me feel absolutely shocking. So as well as being in excruciating pain and being drugged up to the eyeballs, I was then obviously not being able to lift my head because of the blood pressure. So I had a transfusion, all that jazz. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because the businesses have still been running effectively. Orders are still going out. My fabulous partner is doing a hell of a lot to keep everything running in the background. But with me getting on camera and recording content, it wasn't going to happen. It really was not going to happen. I think when everything is such a chore, even getting in a bath, the effort it takes to actually get in a bath when you've only got one leg you can use, is just it's not happening. Personal hygiene went out the window, and obviously when you're feeling so shit, the last thing you want to do is see your face on camera. So this is my reasonings. I've been wearing caps every day. The first couple of weeks it would just, yeah, it's been tough. I'm now at 4 weeks, and I just wanted to do this video just so you know that I still exist, I'm still here, but also kind of apologise to those followers who engage in my content and everything else, and kind of tell you why. Some of you do know I have shared a couple of things on my personal profile, so some of you do know, and some that are closer than clients will know as well. But yeah, that's the reason. I'm now 4 weeks post-op. The still only on one leg, and to be honest with you, the pain is really good at the moment, but I'm finding my leg is deteriorating. It's getting really small really quick, so I'm losing my quad muscle, I'm losing my glute, my calf. It is starting to look like a little old lady leg. But then second to that, my left leg is bulking up big time because it's taking all my weight. So my body my body shape at the moment is crazy. So you will see me a lot in joggers, baggy pants. There's no leggings or no skinny jeans getting on these legs. But yeah, for me, the hardest bit, which people, you just think to yourself, it's your legs, you just don't weight bear, that's it. But being on double crutches, people don't realise you lose the use of your arms. You lose the use of your hands, so you can get to somewhere, do something. So okay, I'm sat in front of my computer now and I fancy a drink, okay? So I can go and make myself a coffee or a cup of tea or a juice or whatever, but then I can't bring it back. I can't get it back to my computer. I do have a trolley which I'm using in the kitchen, so I've prepped a couple of meals before, but still being on one leg for such a long time, it really hurts. So we lose the ability to potter around and tidy up, and you know what it's like, especially women. They go from one room to another and they're like, oh, I'll grab that, I'll pack that away, I do have a rucksack which I've not used in a while, but I was using my rucksack and I'm like just grabbing things and then just dropping them in, and then I go into the next room and then pull them out, but it just takes so long. And to be honest, Conan, my fella, has been an absolute gem. He just says it's easy if he does it, so he's looking after me big time, which is nice. But yeah, that's why I've not been on camera much. That's why I've not been as present. My main priority was to make sure that people that are ordering products from me or having coaching by me are still getting their services online. and they can get the orders delivered. So I've been putting every effort I've got and every energy I've got with my fella to do that, and I've just not had none left to get on camera. And to be honest with you, I've looked rough as hell. Okay, I've been living in caps, not putting makeup on. It just personal hygiene went out the window for quite a while, I am not gonna lie. So it's been tough, it's been a trying time, but I'm now 4 weeks post-op. You see me walking around on my crutches, I'm like a whippet. So yeah, it's getting better. So give me a couple of weeks and the content and everything is going to be there for you. But I just wanted to give you a bit of a video and just give you an update. But thank you guys for being really patient. And I hope you're all good. Bye for now. Mwah.